What's up guys? Yes here, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm really just, you guys, trying to work as hard as I possibly can to like pump out these videos to, you know, give you guys something to watch, give you guys some fun, lighthearted content. But we are gonna do another TikTok video today. You guys have been loving those, and today we're gonna be trying out TikTok viral products. And I have one here that's actually like a very popular candy, which I'm so excited about. If you guys are ready, then let's get right into it. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started, and yeah. Alright, so this is not gonna be the first one that I show you guys, but I just want to show you guys what it is. And it is these little like mini fruit jelly candies or whatever that have been so popular and so hard to find. But anyways, we're gonna try these out in a bit. Alright, so we're actually going to be starting out with the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. You guys, this has been all over TikTok. It's honestly such a popular like thing. So this is actually what it looks like. Let me lower down the ISO so you guys can see. So it's kind of like a putty primer, like it feels like putty. And you guys are actually going to see a clip right now where I try it on under my makeup. I feel like kids would love to get into this because it's kind of like fun. We're just gonna go ahead and scoop some up. And they do have a matte one, and then they have a luminous one. And I chose to go with the luminous one because I always love to have more of like a dewy look. I have dry skin, so I felt like this would work best for me. But if you have oily skin, I would definitely say probably go with the matte one. But as you guys can see, it does look dewy. So if you prefer to have more of like a matte look, then I would definitely go with the matte one. All right, so you guys just saw the application, but this is what my makeup currently looks like. And I actually really like it. I feel like I did obviously set with powder and stuff, but it did give me like a dewy look, as you can tell, like more so here, like on my forehead. Obviously this right here is highlighter. So this specific one is actually the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, but there are two other putty primers. There's a matte putty primer, and then there's also a poreless putty primer. So it's cool because there's really options no matter what like skin type you have. So if you have oily skin, I would say probably go with the matte. If you have like big pores, go with the poreless. And then if you are dry, I would say go with this one right here. But it's only $8, so. All right guys, so this next one I'm actually pretty excited about, not gonna lie. It is this like cleaning jelly slime thing. It's like this blue slime. It is made to like clean in like weird little spots. So I've seen people obviously cleaning their car. I don't know if you can see, but it's like here, it's like where the air comes out. Can't think of the name, but they're putting it in there and it collects like dust. I've not opened it, so I'm actually pretty excited to open it and smell it weirdly, because you guys know that I like to smell everything, and I wonder what kind of smell this is gonna have. I feel like I'm gonna be disappointed if it's like odorless, you know? Oh, it smells kind of like fresh, and it really looks super like jelly-ish. So maybe this way, you guys, this could be like a fun way to get like your kids who like slime to like clean stuff, you know? Life hack. Get cleaning slime and then get your kids to help you clean your car, like the inside, you know? So it's literally like slimy. Ooh, it's actual slime. I feel like this is just regular slime and they just figured that it kind of worked. I think it's like regular slime. Okay. You guys, it literally feels like just regular slime. I would not be shocked if it is just regular slime and they're just, you know, like a 2-in-1 type thing. I've actually never given myself the opportunity to play with slime because I don't have any like small siblings or anything. And I see the hype, I see it, I get it. I kind of understand it here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of dust in here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this works. Let me find out this is just regular slime. Oh my god, okay. Alright, so I guess we go like that. I think that's how we do it. Okay. Did that get in there? Let me see. Didn't get it all the way, but let me see. Let me really press that in there. Okay, so I do see some kind of like particles on there, you know. Yeah. Oh, that was a close one. Ooh, you guys, this actually picked up a lot of gunk, actually. Look it, so you guys can see that there is like a lot of like buildup. I mean, I'm sure you can see that there's still some stuff in there. Babe, come here. Okay, so I just came in from testing it out and I don't know how I feel about it yet. Okay, so this is, have you seen this? It's like a jelly slime to clean. Oh, and then maybe I'll want to clean now.
Who, you? Car. Can you clean the house with this?
No. It's just for small spaces, that's it. That's as good as it's gonna get, honey.
We can add like 20 of these.
Like a big glob, so I could clean my room.
Have you used it?
So I used it, but I don't know how I feel about it. I low-key feel like it's just regular slime, and then somebody, like, a parent was like, oh my god, that would be great to clean.
It smells.
I washed my hands already, so I'm not gonna touch it anymore, but...
Does it fart?
No.
Oh,
I don't think so.
That's not fun.
Okay, but touch it. Do you think it's just low-key slime?
Oh, it does fart.
Oh.
I think it is slime. It's just...
I wish I could get, like, one of our little kids, not our little kids, but my friend's daughter Emily. She knows about slime. I wish I could have her come and be like, is this slime or is this a cleaning product? What is it?
That's slime.
So I don't know how I feel about it because it does get into like the little crevices and stuff, but I don't know. I feel like it's kind of unsanitary.
Yeah, I think so too.
I feel like it's literally just like slime.
Yeah. Did it clean at all? Is that what's?
I mean, there's like dirt, but
where's all the French fries that you dropped?
We didn't get all in there. Oh. We didn't get like under the seats. Oh. We just did like the surfaces.
Okay, go under mine. I think we'd be clear.
You guys, if we went in there, it would be like full ass French fries, full ass like burger pieces of
makeup,
tomato,
a whole makeup, eyelashes,
a whole eyelash in there. So, anyways, I cleaned my hand. I don't know how I feel. I mean, I feel like it didn't get into every single like crevice properly. I do feel like it would be a more fun way to clean. But I definitely don't feel like it's like this is the only thing you need to clean, like the dust in your car. You should probably get like a duster, you know? Yeah. If you want to get your kids to clean for you though, y'all need this because they
that's true.
They will definitely be like, I'll clean the car, Mom. Hella fun. Here, son, have some slime.
You heard that from us first.
Life hacks, get your kids to do it. Okay, so this one right here, if you've already seen my Amazon video, then you've already seen this, but I wanted to share it again because this baby right here is extremely popular on TikTok. I actually already had it before I saw it on TikTok, but I've seen that a lot of those videos have like millions and millions of views, and I get why, because it's honestly such a cool product. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. It's honestly so cool. It's such a vibe. As you guys can tell, it's like moving around, and it actually has a few different settings where you can make it like just stop, or you can have just the green lights, or you can have just the galaxy. Honestly, it's such a mood, and I don't know, that's the only way that I can describe it, a mood. Isn't it so cool, you guys? I absolutely love it. Obviously, I can see why it's like super TikTok famous, and honestly, low-key like Instagram famous. I see everybody has one of these babies now because honestly, it's really cool. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and try these out. I think you're supposed to like bite into them and they can splatter everywhere, so we're gonna go ahead and take it to the kitchen and we're gonna have Mike join us. Okay, so these are the super popular jelly fruit or whatever. It's like jelly on the inside. Okay.
I got great.
You guys, I've seen it like explodes on people.
Go, dude.
Dude.
You want me to do it?
Come here.
You want me to do it?
I feel like I set myself up because I got like a...
You sure these are the ones that you do that?
Yeah. I've seen people doing it with these. Okay.
No, these are kind of too thick, isn't it?
No, that's how it is. All the other ones have the thing too, but the kids just bite into them because they're like rebel. Okay. Maybe this is not the ones. Oh. Oh my god, that was really scary. It like shot through the back of my throat.
Really? Mm-hmm. What if I just bite it and then squeeze?
That's not how the young kids are doing it. You didn't even show it. That doesn't count. He has to do it again. He did it like his grandpa would do it, like covering it up, like safe. Kids are not safe. Kids are rebels.
Well, I'm not a kid.
Okay, but we're trying to do it like the young kids.
It's gonna squirt it this way. If I get the camera.
Okay, but you can't be covering it like that.
You need to quit. You need to quit.
I wish I would have kind of put them in the fridge.
I know what I could put that in.
Alcohol.
No, I didn't see that.
Oh, what?
I don't know. Some kind of drink.
Yeah.
100. Those aren't the ones, bro. I just go like that.
You don't do it right.
Fuck, that would have killed me.
Where did it go?
That went all the way over there.
Oh my god, you guys. It literally went all the way over there. Did it go in the pan?
Yes, it went in the pan.
It went in the pan. Did it go in the pan?
Yeah.
You're lying.
I know.
And it literally went inside of the pan. Wow. Wow. The cleaning gods are on your side, my love. Michael's going on a Saturday. He's literally going on a FaceTime date with all of his friends.
I have a FaceTime date with 2 of my buddies right now. We're gonna hang out. What are
y'all gonna do?
Just hang out. I'm gonna hang out at my house. They're gonna hang out at their house.
Get used to it, because I feel like that I can get behind.
No.
I can get behind you having a few beers with your friends over FaceTime. I live for it, honey.
Yeah.
You wanna get drunk? Listen. The couch, the bed.
You won't bother me?
No, I won't bother you.
You swear?
I swear. But, okay, but not a lot of times a week.
No, you said.
Okay, but you'll stay here. All right, so for this next one, I'm gonna have to take off my lipstick. Look I have red down here because of the jelly. That was kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, okay? I'm into it. I get why everybody's into it because they are kind of fun little jellies. We've got nothing on our lips, and now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. lip exfoliator, which is this one right here. You guys know how much I love e.l.f., and I've actually not tried this, and I love the idea that it's in a lipstick form because I always kind of like, I don't like dipping my finger and doing the whole thing. It's like an extra step, but I feel like if it's in lipstick form, then it's just easier, you know what I mean? So this is what it actually looks like. So you guys love that makeup hand. This one right here is actually in the flavor Mint Maniac. Smells minty. They do have several different flavors, and this is actually available at Target. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it works. I do like my exfoliators to be a little bit more on like the grittier side. Since knowing that I was gonna do this video, I've not really exfoliated. Let's see. Sorry, I had to smell it again. Okay, so it's pretty gritty. Which has oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's pretty gritty, which I really like, and it's not like fading. Ooh, how have I not tried this before? You guys, it's really getting in there. If you have like sensitive lips though, and you don't like too much grittiness, this is probably not gonna be for you because it's like really getting in there. Wow, I can't believe I've never tried this before. I can't believe it. It's like really, really like, I like it. Honestly, I kind of low-key felt, I've tried other lipsticks like this that are supposed to be like an exfoliator, and then it you know, you can feel it kind of exfoliating and it doesn't do much, but this is like really, really, really doing the job. Wow. Let's see. I can't believe I'd never tried this before. You guys, it's so good. It's literally so good, and it only cost me $4. Like, it's literally worth every single penny. This is so good. Okay, so I applied my lipstick, and I feel like my lips definitely look more clear than before. Not clear, more smooth. Smooth is the word. Than before. For those of you guys who may be wondering, I use NARS Heat Wave lipstick plus MAC Cherry lip liner. So that's the combo that I have going on. But my lips definitely feel not only smooth, but they also feel a little plump, you know, and I did get the mint one, so they do feel a tiny bit tingly, which I'm into. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit more on the shorter side, but definitely let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this, if you guys want to see a part 2, because if so, your girl's been spending a lot of time on TikTok. Obviously, you guys know that based on like my last 3 videos. And then also on the one that's coming, the cocktails, drinks, okay? Ready for that one. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that one. But anyways, I've been spending a lot of time on TikTok, and I am down to find some more viral products for you guys, so just let me know down below. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok also. I'm on there, okay, doing fun stuff, fashion stuff, all kinds of stuff. So follow me on there, subscribe here, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please continue to self-isolate, stay home. I'm doing my best possible. That didn't even make sense. What am I even saying? I'm doing my best to like keep pumping out videos, you guys. So, you know, give you guys something to do while you guys are at home. But please do your part. Stay home if you're able to, because the faster all of us work together in staying home and flattening the curve, the faster this will blow over and the faster we'll be able to get to our regular lives. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Love you guys. Subscribe. Big air hugs, air kisses, and we'll talk to you guys next time.